Hi everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. And today I've got a new box for me, and it's the Norse box. It's a quarterly box that is $71 a quarter plus shipping, and they go out and find the latest Nordic designs and curate a box. And you get between 1 to 5 items every quarter. So I believe, I'm thinking it's like a home box, if I am assessing correctly. But let's just dive in and see. So this should be, I'm thinking there's summer, but I will double check. But I did get a sticker, the Scandinavian subscription box. And what's interesting is the way they boxed this. I'll show you here in a second. It's up like this. So had to open it from here. And then you will see it is their summer. So it is their summer 2025 box. And on the back here, it does tell what the items are. So I'm going to put that aside for right now and dive in. I love this color of the paper. It's so pretty. So spring summery like. The first item, okay, it is by Home Guard, 1825, Regina, by the appointment of the Royal Danish Court. It is a beautiful drinking glass, which that's interesting. That's interesting. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. I make sure I get this out and I don't break it. All right, there is a sticker on it that's kind of coming off, but that's okay. Mouth blown glass, Holmgard. It is a very pretty glass, you guys. I'm thinking it's crystal because, you think that? Or you hear that? That's why I think it's crystal, but let me see if there is anything on the outside that tells me that. If not, I'm sure the description will. So it's Regina is the style. It is designed by Anya Kajer. So she created this unique glassware range for the silver wedding of the Danish queen and prince consort in 1992. Is that not cool? That is super cool. The glasses were produced by Holmgard as a gift from Copenhagen's municipal court. That's cool, you guys. That's really cool. I'm thinking it is 28, well, take that back because I don't know what that equivalent is to US measurements. But you guys, that is super cool. Let's see what else is in here. I think we got another glass. All right, also by Holmgard, also the Regina line, but this one looks like it's a smaller glass. Let's see if yep, created for the same occasion. And it is the same style, just smaller. Those are pretty. I'm still trying to think, what am I going to do with two glasses that are different sizes though? Let's keep opening. Okay, another item. What is this? Spring Bird Danish design by Mekki and Vagby. It is a bottle opener, and it is the coolest looking bottle opener I've ever seen, you guys. Kind of reminds me of like a bird, perhaps. Let's get in this. Yeah, that's a super cool looking bottle opener. So that's packaged well. That's super cool, you guys. I really like that. Spring Copenhagen is like, you probably can't read that on that side. That's super cool, you guys. So we got the little booklet. Okay, so apparently they make other items as well, because it goes through what their other items are, and they're very cute. They look all like little trinkets, and I'll show you different things. Right. Bottle opener. I'm wondering, I would be shocked if there's a bottle of wine in here. I don't think there's going to be a bottle of wine in here. All right. Okay. Hammershoy by Collar. Is it a cake server? Dessert server? So this artist is known for his play with dimensions and distinct design maker, the grooves, or design marker, the grooves. So that's his distinct marker. Created at the old collar shop in the Danish town of Navsted at the beginning of the 20th century. His vases are known and loved around the world. Okay, so that's the vase. This is not the vase. But it's, so this artist, this is still, I'm taking it that it's still his design, even though it's not a vase. Okay. A cake server, I guess, a dessert server. And we have one more item in the box. Oh, okay. Back to that Spring by Copenhagen. This, well, I'm going to show it to you, and you tell me what you think it is. What do you guys think this is? It's a trivet. It's a trivet. That is what it is. It's a trivet. That is cool. And what's interesting, you can get multiple trivets and you can attach them. They go like they're running. So let's see here. Clumsy Hans is a Danish registered oak trivet. It is also a unique wooden object that can vary in shape and expression. The idea behind Nis Hog's Clumsy Hans oak trivet is to create a functional, recognizable product, which also serves as a playful sculpture on the dining table and elsewhere in the home. So he first produced oak trivet in early 2012 and relaunched in 2016 in close cooperation with this brand, or with Nis Hague, I'm assuming. So I'm thinking this must be Nis Hague. That's interesting, you guys. All right, let me get Clumsy out. Okay. So I will say this is not what I expected in this box. It is very kind of random items. You guys, there he is. He's kicking his legs. And he's gonna move his arms. Guys, is this not stinking cool? That's cool, you guys. That is cool. And he's a trivet. You guys, this is cool. So this is the Norse summer box. Let's check out the back of the card. So it says this is a tribute to effortless hosting and everyday beauty, whether it's a wine at golden hour or dessert under string lights. This collection was curated to elevate summer's simple moments. So you're going to find regal glassware, a sculptural cake slicer, 2 playful wooden pieces by Spring Copenhagen, which are these. And it goes into a little bit more detail about the items. Whimsical, playful design, sleek steel. And I don't see anything about whether or not those are crystal or not. I mean, they ding like they're crystal. I don't know. So again, definitely not what I was expecting in the Norse box, but I will say it's something that I just would not randomly go and get myself, and I highly enjoy my items. I am not 100% sure what I'm going to do with 2 goblets, but I can pretty them up somehow. I could find a way, maybe plant a little pretty flowering plant. I'm not sure, but I can pretty them up. So let's do our scoring. The experience. I'm going to say the experience was an 8 because it was fun. Quality. These are good quality items, you guys. I am going to go with a 9. Value, the values here. Definitely the values here. So I'm going to go an 8. New, different, unique, a 10. And retention usability. The trinket, I'll use the cake slicer at parties. Bottle opener is one of those things you don't need it until you need it, and then you're glad you got it. These glasses, I am not sure. So retention usability, I'm going to go with a 6. So that takes us to 41 out of 50, which is a very good score, I believe. All right, you guys, that is what we got for this quarter. Thank you very much for tuning in. I want to make sure that I wrap up these glasses right away so they do not get harmed, because they are very nice glasses. But thank you. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for just spending your time with me. If you want to see more, subscribe. Give me a like. Tell me, as always, what are your thoughts of these items? So, you guys, until we see each other again, take care. Bye-bye, everyone.